So we have Tahrir with us, Tahrir Beni Nasro. Tahrir parents are from Bangladesh, but mashallah, he has been volunteering with us. Tahrir, how old are you?
I'm 12.
Whoa, wow. Wow. That's a prime age for a child, huh?
Yeah.
And which grade are you going to?
I'm in 7th. Inshallah, next year I'll go, next year I'll go to 8th grade.
Beautiful. And which school are you going to?
I'm going to a Peace Children Academy.
Wow. So, wow. I could see this, all the training and all that expertise and all that experience is coming from Peace Children Academy. Beautiful. Okay. So, what do you do here?
Well, I help the people make sure that they have an organized line. Sometimes I tell them to social distance, or if that's not my job, I also give out announcements so
Beautiful.
more people can come and take our tasty food.
Oh, good. How do you feel? I mean,
Feel
when you help the people, how do you feel?
I feel very happy.
Wow. See, that's what, especially at this young age, when you help, when you share with people. Look, the program name is the Halal Meal Share Program, and the logo is that we help our neighbors in need. So when we help our neighbors in need, this really gives us a really satisfaction, especially what these youngsters, they are learning much from this program, and we are proud to have these children in the Halal Meal Share Program. Thank you very much, Tahrir. Any message for the community?
Any messages?
Yes.
Guys, please do your good deeds, and inshallah, Allah will be very happy.
Wow. Thank you very much, Tahrir.